Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna know how to create an email account in GoogieHost. Let's get started. Open a browser and search for GoogieHost.com. Enter your registered email and password and click Login. After logging in, you will be redirected to the client area. In the dashboard, locate and click on Email Accounts. You will see a default email account already. Do not change anything in the default account. Leave it as it is. Click on Create Account. Enter the username, enter a strong password, and save it somewhere safe so you don't forget it. Once the username and password are set, click Create. Your new email account will be successfully created and ready to use. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.